Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an alternative to Midjourney, which is Blue Willow AI. Midjourney is a popular AI art text-to-image generator that has been widely used by content creators and artists. However, due to its recent changes in the pricing and limitations on free usage, many users are looking for alternatives. This is where Blue Willow AI comes in. Blue Willow AI is a free alternative to Midjourney that offers unlimited free images and range of features that make it a great option for content creators and artists. In this video, we will explore the features of Blue Willow AI and compare it with Midjourney to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. So let's get started. It's asking about, let's try. You have to go through the registration process. I will try to speed it up. Just make sure that when you are done, you have to join the rookie channel. Make sure you have joined the rookies room, rookies 1, 2, or whatever the names you will see. Go on Mars with military uniform. Let's see. Very realistic. Processes here are just like Midjourney. You have to start the command with /imagine and the prompt, and it will deliver the required results. This is our initial result. Now we will upscale it and let's see what happened. Click on the U1 since it was left upper corner. It was the first one. After a while, we will get our result. You can re-roll it, you can upscale it, you can variate it. You have the option just like Midjourney. Here is a disclaimer that like Midjourney, it too has limitations. You have to subscribe, but it has the limitation far beyond Midjourney. So let's see what happened to our result. Okay, here we have got 4 different variations of our result. We can upscale it. Let's see. I like this one to upscale it. Click on upscale. So here we got it was quick. Double click on it. Open in the web browser and download it. So that's all for now. If you like our video, please hit like button and subscribe our channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Enjoy your Midjourney alternatives. Goodbye.